Welcome to Unlock Review, ready to bake fresh, delicious bread at home. In today's video, we'll explore the best bread machines that make baking easier, tastier, and hassle-free. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, we've got options for every kitchen. Let's find your perfect bread-making companion. Number 1. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. The Cuisinart Compact Bread Maker offers the convenience of baking full-size loaves while saving precious countertop space, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens or crowded counters. Weighing just over 10 pounds, its sleek stainless steel design is not only space-efficient, but also lightweight, allowing for easy storage when not in use. This versatile bread machine features 12 cooking programs and 3 crust shade options: light, medium, dark. It excels in crafting a variety of baked goods, including gluten-free bread, jams, sauces, cakes, and more. While it's advertised to handle up to a 2-pound loaf, we found that larger dough batches tended to rise into the lid and then collapse. For the best results, we recommend sticking to 1-5-pound recipes. What sets the Cuisinart Compact apart is its user-friendly design, featuring an intuitive control panel that's easy to navigate. During testing, it produced evenly browned, airy white bread and soft, golden brown banana bread that released effortlessly from the pan. However, one downside of its compact size is the lack of insulation, which causes the exterior to become quite hot during use. Pros: even browning and good aeration, easy to use and clean, 12 programs and 3 crust settings, keep a warm post-baking function. Cons: can't always handle a 2-pound loaf. Number 2. KBS Pro MBF-010 Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Large MBF-010 stood out as a top performer, earning high marks for producing 2 distinct loaves with appealing color, well-defined shape, and unanimous praise from our blind taste tester panel. These loaves showcased a delightful softness paired with sturdy structural integrity, making them perfect for sandwiches. The crusts were beautifully browned, complementing the bread's overall flavor and texture seamlessly. A notable feature that sets the KBS Large apart is its automatic fruit and nut dispenser, one of only 2 models to include this functionality, which proved to be exceptionally effective in our tests. The model also caters to users who value a detailed display. While the text is somewhat small, it remains legible from a reasonable distance, boasting an impressive 17 functions. This bread machine excels in consistently delivering delicious, traditional sandwich bread, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize this outcome. However, the KBS Large does come with a learning curve. Its complexity may require some trial and error to master. Additionally, at nearly 15 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which could be inconvenient for frequent storage and retrieval. Despite these considerations, its performance and versatility make it a standout option for bread-making enthusiasts. Number 3. Oster ExpressBake 2-pound Bread Maker. The KBS Large MBF-010 earned high praise across multiple categories for its performance in baking 2 distinct loaves, which were noted for their appealing color, well-defined shape, and overwhelming approval from our blind taste testing panel. These loaves showcased a delightful softness while maintaining the structural integrity needed for sandwich preparation, complemented by perfectly browned crusts that harmonized beautifully with the bread's taste and texture. What sets the KBS Large apart is its inclusion of an automatic fruit and nut dispenser, a feature found in only a few models, and one that proved highly effective during testing. For those who appreciate a more detailed display screen, the KBS Large stands out. Although the text is small, it remains readable from a reasonable distance. With 17 functions to choose from, this machine excels at consistently producing delicious traditional sandwich bread, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize this outcome. However, it's important to note that the KBS Large is more complex than some other models, requiring a bit of trial and error to master. Weighing nearly 15 pounds, it is on the heavier side, which could present challenges when moving it in and out of storage. What we love: affordable, evenly distributes dough and mix ins, good for beginners. What we don't love: plastic smell can seep into bread. Number 4. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. For dedicated home bakers, the Zojirushi Bread Maker offers a wealth of features and options, earning it the title of our best overall pick. With 15 pre-programmed courses covering a wide variety of bread types and crust options, light, medium, dark, it also allows for custom programming to tailor recipes to your exact preferences. Equipped with 2 kneading paddles, this machine ensures thorough mixing with no unmixed flour, and a 13-hour delay timer lets you enjoy freshly baked bread right when you need it. The large viewing window adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to monitor the baking progress. In testing, the Zojirushi excelled with 3 basic bread recipes, delivering flawless results each time. Impressively, it maintained consistency even when we experimented, altering flours, adjusting butter amounts, and mixing ingredients in a different order. Every loaf turned out with an appealing appearance and a perfect texture. This bread maker is a premium option, reflected in its higher price point. While ideal for serious bakers, it might not be the best choice for casual users or those uncertain about their long-term commitment to bread making. Number 5. Elite Gourmet 2-pound Programmable Bread Maker. The Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker is a fantastic choice for those looking for an affordable yet reliable machine, with 19 pre-programmed settings for a variety of breads. It caters to a wide range of baking preferences. For those who want more control, it also offers manual settings to go beyond the automatic options. Equipped with a 15-hour delay timer, this bread maker allows you to schedule your baking so that fresh bread is ready exactly when you need it, whether for breakfast, dinner, or just as guests arrive. In terms of value, the Elite Gourmet combines affordability with consistent performance. Its automatic kneading, rising, and baking cycles ensure reliable, delicious results every time, while the non-stick pan makes cleanup a breeze. The clear control panel and user-friendly settings make it an excellent option for beginners, especially those on a budget. While it may lack the advanced features of higher-end models, the Elite Gourmet gets the job done effectively without the complexity, making it an ideal choice for straightforward, no-fuss bread baking. Why you should get it: this bread machine delivers consistent, delicious results.